Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial by Aidan's Cuts. In this tutorial today we're going to be doing a number 7 guard buzz cut with a skin fade on the side. We're going to make sure everything's super sharp, super crisp. This haircut's really going to stand out because of its fresh appeal. It's super popular. It's one of the most popular cuts I've been doing in the shop lately, so I'm going to show you how to get into it. When doing a buzz cut, no matter how short or how long it is, make sure you're going over the top extremely thoroughly. And then when we go onto the sides, we're making sure everything's prepped right, as you can see now. When you are doing fades, you want to make sure you're starting always with a clean canvas because this does really help with your productivity. I'm now going in with my Gamma X-Seed foil shaver to make sure everything's nice and smooth. The first step is to go in with your 1.5 guard all the way open and then all the way closed to get a nice shape. And then next thing we're going to do is follow that same silhouette with our clipper all the way open, creating about a 1/2 inch guideline. Then we're going to put our number 1 guard all the way open and just go below that silhouette that we just did with the 1.5. After we've completed our 1 all the way open, we want to close our 1 all the way and just buffer out that bottom line. Then we're going to go with our 0.5 guard always open first, and then I like to close the guard, make sure we're playing around with things as much as possible. Finally, I'm going to close the clipper all the way and just buff out that bottom line as best as we can. Before you complete and move on to the next step, remember to always open and close and try to remove any weight that you can see. Now what I like to do is if I can see any weight lines that I don't like at all, I'm going to go in with my 1 or my 1.5 and really just flick that out, making sure the haircut has nice flow and symmetry. Once the fade has been complete, we're going to make sure we complement that beautiful fade with a nice and crisp lineup. Making sure when you line up, you just take as much time as you need because this really can enhance your haircut and bring it to the next level. Also remembering to not push back that client's hair too much because we want to make sure the haircut has great longevity. The next step is obviously extremely optional. I love to use color enhancements. I think it really brings the haircut to the next level. So if you guys don't want to do this or don't want any involvement in this, please just skip this part. But I feel like it really does bring the haircut to the next level and make you stand out from the rest. Now my client Luke does have a great beard, so I'm going to show you guys how I like to clean it up. Firstly, I'm just running with the 2 with the grain just to take away all those flyaway hairs. Now I'm doing the same with my 1.5, always open and then close. Now I'm going against the grain with my 1 and then I'll use my 0.5 and then I close it. For the beard line up, you really want to make sure you've got a great bottom beard line that follows the shape of his jawline and really complements his face structure. Once we've done this, we're going to just slightly use our trimmers to line up the top of his cheek, making sure to not push this line too far down either because we want to make sure we're going in with the razor as well. Cleaning up the lips, and then we're going to finally move on to our foil shaver under the neck, and then I love to finish everything with the razor always. What truly separates professionals from amateurs is preparation. All the clients notice it, all other barbers notice how you prep your haircuts, how you prep your shapes, so making sure we're spending that extra little bit of time to get everything right. This can be the most therapeutic part of the haircut, what some barbers love the most, and I really do enjoy seeing that final razor touch to complete the cut. For styling, I'm using Duke's Grooming chrome paste. It gives it a great hold and a medium shine. I don't like to let my customers leave the shop without feeling and looking their greatest. Once we're done finalizing and personalizing the look, that is it. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do enjoy, please leave a like below or a comment and let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Thank you.